next to you. All I want is coming home to you. Falling backwards on the bed together, rubbing my feet on the sheets, leaving my shoes on the floor together. Hopefully it doesn't stink. If I'm the pool, you're the water. If I'm the pancake, you're the sorrow. I found in you one home in love. Let's take this pen, we write our story. Give me your hand, we'll have some poetry. Bring into life the work of art, you and me. Wherever you go, I hope I'll be there, breathing the sweet, sweet scent from your hair. 'Cause that's enough for me, yeah. You feel like home. Time and space, I've built all my love for you. Tell me to be patient, waiting for you. Mostly you're strong, besides you're sweet. Sometimes you're fun, then switch to a freak. That's what I learned to love about you. If I'm the soda, you're the bubbles. If I'm the glass of wine, you're the time. I found in you love, warmth, and hope. Let's take this pen, we write our story. Give me your hand, we'll have some poetry. Bring into life the work of art, you and me. Wherever you go, I hope I'll be there, breathing the sweet, sweet scent from your hair. 'Cause that's enough for me, yeah. Feel like home. Lots of time I've been giving to us, we know each other. I can't wait to spend my days and nights with you, my lover. Soon as our best ring on your finger, my heart tell me to scream like ooh, oh.